Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors. Today I want to talk to you about shopping for a new garage door in Franklin, Tennessee. The first thing I want you to think about is that space it's going into. How can we find a door that either blends in or stands out? And it depends on your home, what you want. If you're looking to just blend in, we're probably talking a traditional door, something a little on the plain side. We want to match that color up to your trim or your house. Now, if you want it to stand out a little bit, now we're talking a carriage door. Well, when we say carriage door, what does that mean? Really, it means that decorative hardware where you see the handles and the hinges. It's not functional, it's all for looks. But that's the carriage doors, and we've got a ton of them. We have very simple ones all the way to overlay doors and hardwood doors and just everything in between. The price can really be just barely more than a traditional, all the way up to very expensive. So we want to look and see what we want in that space. We want it to look great from the curb. You want it to, make your house look beautiful. So when we do this, let's pick out something that you like and then something that matches that home. We're gonna see, do we want windows? I love windows. I think windows look great. You don't have to have them. Windows cost a little bit more money, but I think they're worth it. We want to match those windows up to the rest of the house, make it look like it was made for your house alone. Then the next thing we want to talk about is insulation. We want to put it, you want insulation. You're going to save money, especially if that garage, of course, is connected to the home, which many of them are. We're going to save money on our energy bills every month. That alone and the curb appeal is going to get you 103% return on investment, which is the best in the home service industry. So that's the great news about replacing your garage door. Another great piece of information about replacing your garage door is it comes with all new tracks and all hardware, springs, rollers, cables, you name it. That all comes standard with the door. So we're going to replace that. So you're not going to have a problem for a long time with that garage door. You're not going to have to see us for a repair. And then the last thing I talk about, there's a vinyl backed insulation and there's a steel backed insulation on your steel doors. The vinyl back is an economy grade. It's going to, if you get that insulation or you get no insulation, your door's going to dent up very easy. If it gets hit with a ball, the kids, a bike, comes down on a car bumper, things like that, you're going to be replacing a section or two, or it's going to look terrible when those accidents happen. With steel on the backside, that door's going to keep on going without those dents 95% of the time. It's going to last longer. The inside, you can clean it up very easily. It's not going to turn yellow like that vinyl insulation. So I strongly suggest the steel on the backside. It's not a lot more money. You will absolutely see the value in that. So again, Franklin, when you're ready to buy a new garage door, please call us at All Four Seasons Garage Doors. Have a great day.